Alright, what is going on, guys? So before I start this video, I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone that's watching this, and hopefully you have a good year. 2016 wasn't good, hopefully 2017 is better. So, anyways, to get into the video, we're going to be looking at the Air Jordan 11 Low Columbias that will be releasing sometime this year. So it says during May 2017, so in a few months. So this video is a little early to kind of introduce this, so there's really not a lot on it right now. But here's a few pictures. So it's basically a remastered version of the OG ones. Alright, that doesn't look good. 23's worn off. It's not good. Yeah, so it's kind of like a remastered version, and I personally think that's a great idea because, they made the remastered cherries, and like these kind of went along with the cherries, like red and blue, you know, how it goes. And they remastered cherries, so you know what? It was about time they did this. Surprised they didn't actually release them at the same time, but whatever. It's Jordan brand, it's up to them. But yeah, so basically the remakes of the 2001, and it says they're going to be retailing for $175, which is not even bad actually. I'm not complaining. Oh shit. Which is not bad. I'm not complaining with that. I think that's a very fair price. Because what are we looking at for Space Jams? I think there were 220 plus tax, so 175 is not bad. So it's a good price. And is it a cop or a drop? I would say it's a cop. I mean, if you're interested in, OG Jordans, remastered, I mean, this is definitely it. I mean, this is about as OG, I shouldn't say OG as you can get, but, it's the first time they're remastering it, so that's huge. But I'm just gonna cut this video kind of short, so I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you can, please subscribe if you haven't already, comment down below, and like this video. Alright, peace.